How's it going today, guys? It's a Friday afternoon and I just finished work and I thought I'd come in the backyard and have a little bit of fun. So over the course of the past week I've been doing some cutting of my wood supply for this winter, and I've been doing really well at getting the chain sharp. So what I want to do today is to just go ahead and have some fun, at least for me, and see if I can just get some good video of the chips coming out of the chainsaw. I don't know, that's what I do for fun, go figure. During the course of the past week, I noticed when I cut a log, it's got this Ripley effect on it, and I'll show you a picture of that, a close-up of that. So the log's got this, it's Ripley or washboard effect. And I was reading a website on the Logasaw website one day, and they said if you get a washboard effect when you're cutting, it usually means that your saw is too aggressive. And I have to say that the saw has been cutting really nice this week. Now, I hand file my saws. I'm going to be using, this is Oregon 72 JGX. It's a skip tooth chain. If you're new to chainsaws, I would not use this chain. Not only is this not a safety chain, there's no safety bumpers, but because you've got two links between each tooth, each cutter, the chain's gonna move around the bar a lot faster. So if that 72 JGX gets kickback, because the bar is moving, the chain's moving that much faster, it's gonna really come back at you. So I would not use that chain if you're new to saws. But I've been hand filing, and boy, I gotta say I got this saw really tuned in. So all we're gonna do today is I'm gonna put my gear on and I'm just gonna move the camera around. We're gonna keep this video to at least 4 minutes at the longest. And we're just gonna have some fun and see what happens.